The Air Force and other armed forces have sent their men. Wow. The place is not accessible, it's very thick and it's mountainous. And because of the bandit element that are living there, it wasn't easy for us to have reached there yesterday. So, but today, by now they should have been there, and that maybe in the evening you heard the number of casualties.
So let's talk a bit about that particular terrain. We heard the chief of air staff talk about an all of government approach, both kinetic and non-kinetic. Could you talk to us a bit about what's really going on over there?
Yeah, a lot of activities of illegal mining. We have a lot of lithium and gold, and this is not far away from that because these miscreants are into this illegal activity, so they've taken siege of that place. Over the years, we've been trying to talk to them, and that there's a symbiotic relationship between the Fulani herdsmen and the miners, because they use these cattle to transship whatever they have mined. That is why you see the symbiotic relationship. But as a government, on the non-kinetic approach, what we have done is that we are bringing Fulani into governance. And we have created a ministry for nomadic and pastoral affairs to look at the activities, to let them understand that it's beyond rearing cows. They can be doctors and they can become governors too if they want. I need to understand Niger State is 10% of Nigeria. It's very large. We have bodies of water. We have the highest congregation of Fulani in the whole world is in Niger State. So Niger is their heaven because of the pastoral nature of Niger State and water that is readily available for their cattle. Air Force have done very well, in the past, and they continue to collaborate with Niger State. And that anytime we have called on them, they are always there. They've given us a lot of air support, and we have come here to condole with them, over the loss of their men, and also to reassure them of our readiness as a government to support them. We are providing accommodation to them so that they can bring some detachment and fighter jets or fighter planes into Niger State so that we can have rapid response.
He was specific about operating from Mina.
Yes.
He was a little specific about operating from Mina.
Yes, Mina is the backup airport to Abuja. It has one of the longest runways, so we have capacity, to fly any kind of craft in Mina airport. Yes, through agriculture. You should understand we are agrarian. We have 76,000 square kilometers of arable land, and these things are a lot of ungoverned spaces. So as a state, we are doing everything possible to make sure that we invest so much in agriculture so that our people will be gainfully employed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's for that government. Don't